My name is Vito, I'm from Italy and I study business analytics at the University of Hong Kong. I was a fresh graduate in economics and management before joining the HKU Business School. Then I decided to move to Hong Kong for a master's degree. Hong Kong is a city that is known for its diverse and multicultural atmosphere. As an international hub, there are countless activities to partake in. However, to truly immerse yourself in the local culture, one should venture out to explore the various facets of Hong Kong's traditional lifestyle. By embracing the local culture, you can gain a deeper understanding and appreciation of the unique charm and identity of Hong Kong. What I found the most impressive about the program is the passion and preparation of professors, and the flexibility to adjust the curriculum based on your personal interests. The greatest challenge that I faced was the first approach to coding, combined with the notion of statistics and machine learning. It takes time and practice at the beginning, but in the end, you're very satisfied with the learning experience. I found the program both practical and technical, but it really depends on each student's choice of the elective courses to take. I have 5 key takeaways to the offer holders of the program. First, stay focused on your goals and maintain a positive attitude throughout the program. Second, practice time management skills to balance coursework and other personal commitments. Third, postgraduate degrees require hard work, dedication, and genuine interest in the subject to succeed. Fourth, master degrees can enhance skills, facilitate a career change, and increase earning potential. Fifth, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Seek assistance from your professors, teaching assistants, or academic advisors if you're struggling. To future applicants, be ready to push yourself because the learning curve is very steep, especially if you don't have a technical background. And be ready to meet very talented and passionate students and professors.